Hello and welcome to this video where in this episode we're going to take a look at this exciting new product, the Insta LED counter. So let's dive straight in and see what makes this stand out. We are thrilled to present to you the Insta LED counter. This is one of the easiest counters to build that's out there on the market right now. Its standout feature with the silicon edge graphic that's easy to fit into the channel around the top and the bottom of the counter. Once this is in place, there is no need to remove it. To set up, simply lift the tabletop, plug it in, zip the graphic, and you're all set. The Insta LED also boosts a unique integrated locking mechanism. Unlike other models on the market, this counter can hold up to 30 kilos without collapsing. This ensures that you can display your products and marketing material with confidence at any event. And it's easy to transport too. We've included a padded carry bag with carry handles and shoulder strap, making getting your counter to and from exhibitions a breeze. So there you have it, the all-new Insta LED counter. This is in stock and available now. Whether you're looking for ease of use, a unique design, or an eye-catching illumination, the Insta LED counter is perfect for your next event.